Ever wondered how your food gets from farm to plate? It's a teamwork between farmers, nature, and some seriously cool machines. Let's dive into how this agri-revolution has changed our lives. Normally, harvesting onions can be very time-consuming and laborious without machinery. Therefore, a giant harvesting machine like this can significantly reduce that burden for farmers. These ripe mangoes are picked by hand, then gathered by a machine that washes them before they are taken to the factory. It's spooky season. Or is it just harvest season on this farm where the harvesting machine is doing nearly all the work for humans without causing any damage? Thanks to advances in mechanical engineering, farmers now only need to stand in one place and a large cabbage field will still be harvested. This transporter can not only load the apple crates by itself, but can also lift the rack to carry 3 layers. And when the apples are carried to the processing plant, they'll be gathered all in one place just like this. There have yet to be any machines that can collect these juicy pomegranates from A to Z, but carriers like this one has still been largely helpful. The currants are efficiently harvested using a Samsung SFM technology blackcurrant harvester and go directly in barrels, which can contain 250 kilograms of berries when full. This machine is cleverly designed so that the cherries won't roll to the ground when they fall from the tree. Applying smart machinery to harvesting like this enables farmers to considerably increase peanut production. Combined harvesters are perhaps one of the greatest agricultural innovations ever made. Just look at them in action. With a chopper head as wide as 9 cars combined, this machine by Kemper can chop off 20 rows of corn like a child's play. This carrot harvester is equipped with a cross conveyor at the end of the bunker, allowing for fast yet still very gentle harvest. Farmers are harvesting yellow peppers by hand, but luckily this automated belt will help them put the peppers into a large bunker. Spinach leaves are cut and pushed into the harvest bins in the blink of an eye, thanks to technology. Once the artichoke buds are collected, they'll have their stems swiftly and consistently trimmed by an automated processing system. This basil harvesting model is called special, thanks to the elevating body that allows it to unload the leaves into the trailers. TTA's bulb packer is an effort to make the automation of removing tulips from crates, a labor and cost-intensive process, possible in the future. Combine harvesters like this model by DeWolf has been nothing but revolutionary to the agriculture industry, particularly potato farming. You might be surprised that this chicory harvester was rebuilt to suit the driver's needs. It's performed faultlessly despite some arduous conditions. Being a high-performance machine, this two-row tomato harvester can enhance productivity with its amazing working speed. You're witnessing a TS500 circular blade slicer processing various kinds of cheese. Two products are sliced at once at a speed of 600 RPM and an impressive thickness of approximately 1.5 millimeters. This sleek peeling line is doing a wonderful job chopping off the roots and trimming the leaves evenly. For your information, this is the first Vervet Q616 sugar beet harvester in the UK to be fitted with a roller bed primary cleaning system. This mechanical marvel enables optimized spraying in strawberry rows as it can prevent that spray drops from reaching the wrong spots. If you're lazy to wash the vegetables from your small garden or farm, consider this mini barrel washer by Univerco. An incredible invention. This machine can cut the trees near their roots and cut them into smaller logs right in the air. This excavator is performing an unbelievable task, working while hanging on a cliff like it's a goat. One of the most groundbreaking inventions in agriculture. This machine kills pesticides, not with chemicals like the conventional way, but by heat. This hedge trimmer can promise you of hedges as smoothly trimmed as your beard skin. One minute, the ripe pistachios are still on the tree. The next minute, they all end up inside the funnel-like fruit shaker. This machine is ideal for harvesting parsley on the open field, keeping the collected vegetables intact for storing. Using anchor chains for land clearings is very efficient, relatively safe for the operators, and quite environmentally friendly as it does not involve using chemicals or fire. Despite looking small when folded, this weeding harrow can open its wings up to 24 meters wide. Its heavy and strong frame design keeps them from bouncing around in heavy soils. The way this road shoulder cutter is doing its job is even better than some of us shaving our beards. What an ingenious invention for spring onion harvesting! The saws mounted on this tractor has a working width of up to 4.8 meters, 15 feet 9 inches, and can cut branches up to 21 centimeters, more than 8 inches in thickness. Combine harvesters can do wonders for crop harvesting, not just wheat, but also other types of beans. This stacker can pick up 12 Titan bales gently and adjust its parts to accommodate them all at once on the go. The unique design of a rotary brush at the head helps gather the almonds into one neat row, waiting for later pickup. Days of manually drawing water from ditches to irrigate fields are now giving way to technological inventions that can work much more productively. Just pour peanuts into this machine and wait. You will get a bottle of peanut oil like you bought it from the supermarket. In plantations, machinery is not only used for growing and harvesting, but also to speed up tasks like rolling back the nets. Such an excellent assistant in the kumquat garden. It can adjust its watering direction while moving on its own between rows. As the tractor moves the blades along these large swaths of grass, it leaves a smoothly cut surface on the ground. Watching the coffee beans pouring out of the harvester is so therapeutic for me, and the farmers, obviously. The collected soybeans keep coming out of the machine like water coming out from a tap. Peeling the coconut can be tricky due to its thick outer layer, but not for this machine. Cleaning of ditches and streams is made easy with a 6-bladed ditch cleaner, preventing flooding at particular places. This onion topper can lift the leaves, cut off the tops, and disposes the cut tops to the side into the track of the wheel. Mowing is the first step of making hay, and this mower is laying such a good foundation for the next steps. This is the blueberry cleaner. It doesn't completely clean all the leaves and grass of the blueberries, but it does a good enough job. To ensure that the forage quality is maintained after the first feeding pass, the forage is loosened up several times a day, thanks to Mammoth's Feed Master machine. This self-priming pulverizer can work at a capacity of up to 2,500 kilograms, more than 5,500 pounds per hour. Chopping infertile banana plants by hand is surely a drill, but this cutter is here to save you. A simple yet effective tool, this apple pickers make sure no apple is left uncollected on the ground. This awesome rice harvester machine is a savior for farmers when it's rice harvesting season. A grass cutting tool like this makes mowing on your own less tiring and somehow more fun. It certainly would take forever to harvest this much onions by hand, let alone count how many there are. That's why machines have become indispensable to farmers, given mechanical progresses in recent years. It's pomegranate harvest season, and these red fruits are waiting to be picked and processed. These robotic system will make sure our delicious fruits get a good clean before they packed for delivery. Ripe pumpkins scattered on the ground are gathered into a straight row thanks to this machine. Then, another machine goes through those rows of pumpkins, picking them up and crushing them one by one to get the seeds using its unique design. Machines prove greatly useful to people in transporting newly harvested apricots to the processing factory without any damage. To speed up productivity, advances in technology and techniques such as this peach peeler have been put into use. Four rows of lettuce are pulled up and put on the conveyor belt running behind the cockpit at an incredible speed before they are put into the crates. This machine sucks in what looks like scattered hay on the ground and voila! A downpour of red kidney beans appears. This cabbage harvester is suitable for double boxes. They are placed on individually tilting platforms. The clamping belt speed goes synchronously with the driving speed. This system has an amazing multi-operational capacity. It can wash, box, and load celery onto pallets directly in the field, speeding up the process from harvest to store shelves. You're witnessing an ASA lift trailer harvester doing its job in a breeze. This model is built with tracks to overcome tough conditions. Harvesting fruits in the middle of a city sounds tricky, but it's no biggie for this orange shaker. Only seconds after this harvester started running, hundreds of tomatoes rolled onto its belt, remarkably reducing the time it would have taken manually. Root Vegetable Harvester Alina Eco 2 is the perfect solution for picking vegetables from small areas, such as for Fresh Market. This machine, developed in Kyoto, Japan, automatically identifies and harvests flower buds that meet harvest standards. Efficiency is estimated to be 4 times that of manual work. Cotton harvesting on this enormous scale has been made possible all thanks to great progress in technological development. Coconuts are among the fruits with the hardest outer layers to peel, but nothing can challenge the human's mind and the technology that they apply. This system collects eggs like it's some kind of game at the arcade. Agricultural scientists have invented such an innovative system of milking tens of goats at a time without hurting them. This bale stacker has such intelligent and flexible hands to pick up the bale and throw it onto the capacity space over its head. This sugar beet harvester can deal with an impressive number of 12 rows of vegetables at a time, helping farmers to maximize productivity. This system of automation and robotics in Dutch pot plant and bedding plant nurseries hints at how revolutionary technology will be. The way the tractor controls the roller makes this combo look like a giant yo-yo. This orchard sprayer is an air blast sprayer equipped with axial fans to ensure maximum coverage in tree crops. Advanced potato planters are prime assistants on the field, able to perform multiple tasks simultaneously, such as ditching, fertilizing, sowing, ridging. This maize harvester can clear the whole field as cleanly as using a cloth to wipe the dinner table. Instead of having giant cherry shakers that would not fit into this small orchard, farmers can use this handheld shaker and it still does its job really well. This celery harvester has rolling blades to make sure when the vegetable gets to human hands, it's already clear of roots. Chicory has roots of nearly the same length as the bulbs, automated rotary cutters help workers cut these roots evenly and consistently. The persimmons are sorted into bins based on their sizes after they go through a pretty unique sorting machine. Advances in engineering and technology have transformed the landscape of tea farming, from labor-intensive hand-plucking harvesting to a machine that does so in minutes. This mini-sized tractor, attached with an interesting structure of tines, makes sure the flowers on the trees don't bloom too closely to each other to guarantee fruit quality. And cutting-edge robots have been tested to aid farmers in picking those red, plump apples. Human skills, combined with the electric clipper, can help the sheep get sheared of its heavy fur coat. This Chisholm Rider green bean picker is so well designed that the beans are properly picked and transported without damage while maintaining high efficiency. The two sweepers and the pickup heads on this machine help it to collect macadamia nuts while managing to avoid debris. This state-of-the-art technological device successfully identifies weeds and shots herbicides at their spots without harming the surrounding vegetables. Ortomac's new paper seed machine combines speed and practicality by integrating a double-layer mulching system with a seeder, allows for maximum efficiency in a single pass. The harvesting units combined with the collecting bins and conveyor belts help farmers assure that they only need to drive the vehicle through the orchard to get those prunes collected. The automatic roller with multiple tines attached helps manure to be scrapped for later feeding. This wood chipper works like a blender. The only difference is that, instead of fruits, it crushes massive logs into pieces. Deep snow can be quite a problem to deal with during winter. Luckily, we have powerful snow blowers to get rid of the snow on our road. This ditch cleaner is painting the whole field black with the materials it sucks from cleaning the nearby ditch. Though humble in size, this compact, round baler still carries out its job well on small-scale farms. This smart design allows bamboo logs to be sliced into 10 even sticks in the blink of an eye. Small and easy to manage, this spinach harvester is suitable for small garden, still helping to cut down the time needed to pull up all the vegetables. This side cultivator has an interesting design that allows for easy control in less accessible soil in the vineyard, ensuring weed removal and airier soil. Not just cutting the parsley on the ground, this machine also places the vegetables into neat lines, making it more convenient for collecting. Looking like a self-balancing scooter, this is actually a robot that works as a plant monitor in small garden. Worried that it may take too much time to pull up all the onions? No need to, cause this machine can dig up all the hidden onions in no time with its non-stop rolling blade. A helpful tool to trim and pluck the leaves on sugar canes. Each one comes out of the machine like a javelin. This little harvester can turn rows of standing spring onions into greens lying on the ground like they're queuing. This horizontal or vertical cutter has individually adjustable side cutting units, allowing for automatic use and adjustment while in action. I can't imagine how much time it'd take humans to fill up such a large space of silage without the help from machinery. Thanks a lot for joining us on this journey into technological progress in agriculture today. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts on the most impressive machines you found in this video. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.